If your question is whether there is a quick and guaranteed method to find inner peace, the answer is yes, absolutely yes. But I have to give you some introduction about it. Just like the background music given to the main character entry in your movie, so that you get its importance. So I apologize for this drama. So let's begin. Even if you are in a war zone, there is this quick way to find and be in touch with your inner peace. Even if you are broke, yes, this method can help you. Even if you are unlucky in love, this method will help you without failing you. This is not just a method. I did not create it. It is already given to you by the creation. It is keeping you alive against all the odds, and it is your partner in all your crime. What more guarantee you need? But there is this problem, your memory loss, or perhaps you didn't notice it yet. Short term memory is good in many cases, but you should not forget this best friend. This is your best friend as well as your baddie. So, it is you, just you. You forgot that you already have it. The best part about it is, it was not given by your parents. It was not given by any authorities or any religion. And you don't have to pay anyone any subscription fee to get access to it. It is all yours and fully yours from the moment of your first form until your last breath. So, are you ready to see it? Because once you see it, you can't unsee it. It is the most ordinary thing. Also, it is the thing that made you. So, are you ready to know that thing which will make you peaceful instantly? Okay, let's do it. Please sit down in a cross-legged posture with your spine erect and hold your hands on your thighs facing upwards, or simply lay down on your back on the ground. Choose a dark and quiet place. If there is too much noise around you, please use a earplug. You can choose these postures until you master it. Later on, doesn't matter where you are. Now, close your eyes. Bring focus on the middle of your eyebrows. You can hold your chin slightly up to get a natural focus. Now, breathe in and breathe out with a slight effort. Repeat after me. Breathe in, breathe out. 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 Now, your mind must be little calmer. Now, gently focus on that moment just before you breathe in and on that moment you breathe out. There is this expanding force that helps you inhale and a collapsing force that helps you breathe out. This force is there, just there, like a friend who lifts you and walks you. You are not doing it, it is there. Be happy, it is there. Focus on this expanding and collapsing force as you breathe. Sometimes your breath is disturbed whenever you are lost in various events that happens your outside world. This is the exact moment you turn towards your this friend, this expanding and collapsing force. Let this happen to you. Let your friend do its job. Technically, the expanding force is shorter than the collapsing force, and hence the breathe in is shorter and intense, while the breathe out is larger and smoother. So, yes, just focus and witness this force working for you. You should not be doing anything. Don't be the problem creator. Just witness its work in progress and just accept its help. Now, as I say, expand, witness this force and witness you breathe in. As I say, collapse, witness this force and breathe out. Expand, collapse, expand, collapse, expand, collapse, expand, collapse, expand, collapse, expand, collapse. Now, slowly open your eyes. Hope you will do good and amazing things in this world with your new best friend. Thank you.